in circulation.
The family of Sarah Root says a low bond is to blame for their daughter's accused killer on the loose. Our Aaron Murray is tracking the case. And Aaron, have they started gathering the signatures?
Yeah, just a few of those signatures so far, John and Mallory. But on Saturday, the family plans to be out here at 78th and Dodge collecting more of those signatures. Anyone in the general public can sign. The suspect, Mejia, he had a bond of $50,000, which meant he could bond out with just $5,000. So they're asking anybody who feels that that bond is too low to come out and put their signature down.
Her achievement, her happiness.
For Scott and Michelle Root, their daughter Sarah was the light of their life.
When she died, part of us died.
Exactly.
Killed just hours after graduating from Bellevue University, her future seemingly limitless.
And all of that was taken away by an underage, drinking, street racing, illegal immigrant.
Suspect Mejia paid $5,000 to bond out days after the crash and has not been seen since. That's why now the family is starting a petition against the judge in the case, Jeffrey Marcuzzo.
If he had had a higher bond, he'd be sitting in jail. Ultimately, Eswin was the one who committed the crime, but the judge sets the bond.
The family also putting blame on U.S. Immigrations and Customs Enforcement for not detaining Mejia when they were alerted to the seriousness of the crime and the fact that Mejia is undocumented. Now,
it's been 8 weeks since the crash here at 33rd and L, and 5 weeks since Mejia didn't show up for court. But today, ICE decided to put him on their most wanted list, something the family says should have happened weeks ago.
Why wasn't he put on the most wanted list after he skipped town? Does it take 6 or 8 senators to get this rolling?
Ben Sass is one of those senators standing up to the director of ICE, demanding answers.
Mr. Mejia should not need to be on this list. He should be in jail.
And angry at the whole situation, like Scott said, we can't bring Sarah back, but I don't want another family to go through this because he let him out. ICE didn't detain him.
Now, we reached out to the judge but did not hear back from him today. Now, in the past, when we've spoken to him, Judge Marcuzzo has told us that he is unable to comment because the case is still ongoing. John, Mallory.
Aaron will continue to track that hearing tomorrow.
And the Nebraska State Bar Association also rates judges in our state.
Judge Marcuzzo has a 79% rating out of 100. And to see this information, go to WOWT.com.